For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 3.
Finished a craft or sewing project and suddenly your whole table looks like a confetti party exploded? Or crumbs magically appear in your car overnight? Let me show you the tiny vacuum that solves those moments fast. Simplicity Vacuum's Flash Mini Handheld Vacuum is made for those real, everyday messes you don't plan, but always end up cleaning. I'm not talking full house deep cleaning. I mean thread piles around your sewing machine, glitter from crafts, crumbs in the car, or pet hair stuck on a pouch. When I first tried it after a sewing project, it pulled loose threads and lint right off my table in seconds, no dragging out a bulky cleaner. That's when it clicked for me. This vacuum is built for right now cleaning. The suction may look tiny, but don't underestimate it. It grabs fabric threads, small scrap pieces, car dust, and pet fur without struggling. If you sew, craft, or detail your car, you'll notice the difference immediately. I used the crevice tool inside my car seat edge after a snack-filled drive, and honestly, it surprised me how easily it pulled everything out. No fading power, no frustration. The 14-foot cord is another huge benefit. Instead of worrying about battery dying or waiting for charging, you plug in, clean, move around freely, and you're done. For focused workspaces like sewing desks, craft tables, shelves, and car floors, that constant power keeps you moving without breaks. Cleaning the vacuum itself is simple. Rinse the dust cup, shake the filter, and it's ready again. If you work with fabric or paper often, having a washable, reusable setup makes life easier and cheaper. Lightweight, portable, and super handy, it fits in sewing rooms, craft spaces, cars, and even small apartments. Pet owners will appreciate quick fur cleanups too. It's the kind of vacuum that stays nearby because it handles those small, everyday messes instantly, and that's where it earns its place. In short, the Simplicity Flash Mini Handheld Vacuum makes daily cleanups simple and fast. Strong suction, long cord, washable parts, practical tools, everything built to tackle real-life quick messes without slowing you down. If you love clean workspaces like I do, this one becomes part of your routine.
Number 2.
If you're tired of tiny desk vacuums that buzz loudly and barely move a crumb, listen, because I finally found one that actually works in real life. Meet the Handheld Handheld Vacuum Cleaner Cordless, a compact 4-in-1 cleaning tool built for real desk setups, PCs, and on-the-go cleaning. It's not just a mini vacuum. It vacuums, blows air, inflates, and even vacuum seals storage bags. Real suction that shows results. It packs 15,000 pascals of brushless motor suction, and trust me, that's noticeable. I tried it on my mechanical keyboard after a full week of editing, crumbs everywhere, and it pulled debris that wipes and brushes always miss. Instead of pushing dust around, it actually lifts it out of tight spaces. Blower mode that replaces canned air. The blower delivers 500 liters per minute airflow at 22 meters per second, perfect for laptops, PC fans, and camera ports. I used it on my laptop vents, and the dust cloud that came out was proof enough that airflow matters. Lightweight and practical. Weighs just 0.78 pounds, runs 10 minutes high, 30 minutes low, and you control everything with one button. Super convenient for quick desk or car cleaning moments. Just remember to keep it charged if unused for months, and always attach the dust cup before vacuuming. All-in-one desk helper. You get vacuum mode, blower mode, inflation attachments, and a vacuum seal option all in one device. Plus, the brush head helps with keyboards and small corners. If you like a clean workspace or workaround gadgets, this thing actually earns its spot on your desk. Once you see dust come out of keyboard switches and vents, you'll get why strong airflow and real suction.
Number 1.
Of crumbs, pet hair, and dirt taking over your car? I found a tool that makes cleaning effortless. The Chemical Guy's EQP410 Detail Vac Handheld Portable Car Vacuum is my go-to for quick and effective cleaning. With its 110-watt, 8.8-amp electric motor, it handles dust, sand, cereal, and debris in seconds. I've used it in my SUV, and the 16-foot cord easily reaches every corner. No moving the plug around constantly. It's perfect not just for cars, but also trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and even quick cleanups at home. What I love most is its lightweight, ergonomic design. Holding it while vacuuming tight spots under seats or car mats feels effortless. The kit also includes an extra filter, bag, and cleaning brush, which makes maintenance simple. Just last week, my kid spilled cereal in the back seat, and in just a few minutes, the detail vac had it all cleaned up. No mess, no stress. Keeping your interior clean is easier than you think. 5 to 10 minutes of regular vacuuming, whether during lunch, after work, or first thing in the morning, keeps carpets and upholstery looking fresh. I personally like to do a quick clean right after a long drive to prevent dirt buildup, and it really makes a difference over time. It's also perfect for post-deep cleaning touch-ups. After a full car wash or using a larger vacuum, the detail vac handles those small areas that often get missed. Compact, portable, and ready to use in minutes, it even comes with a storage bag, so you can keep it handy for quick cleanups. Besides vehicles, this vacuum is versatile. I've used it on RV floors, office spaces, and even to clean up pet hair at home. Its portability and convenience make it easy to carry around without any strain, making everyday cleaning a breeze. Overall, if you want a simple, reliable tool to keep your car, home, or office tidy, this vacuum delivers exactly what it promises.